One of the exciting features of AdvanceCM is the user's ability to configure multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your AdvanceCM account by requiring not only your password, but also a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your email, mobile device, or generated by an authenticator app, all for added security. Let's take a look at how it's done. You can access the Configure MFA option by clicking on the profile icon at the lower left of the screen. Then click on Configure MFA. The Configure MFA overlay will look like this. To enable MFA, click on the checkbox. Then choose your delivery method. Keep in mind that email is the default selection. You have 4 delivery methods to choose from: email, SMS, WhatsApp, and TOTP. After choosing your delivery method, click Save. MFA will then be activated on your user account successfully. Now let's take a look at each of the delivery methods, starting with email. If you prefer to receive your authentication code by email, choose email as your delivery method for MFA on the configuration screen. Then click Save. After selecting email as your delivery method, should you log out and go to log in, you will be asked to input a code. This code will be sent to your chosen delivery method. After entering your login details, you will get the email to your inbox with the security digit code. Copy this code and enter it in the digit code text field. Then click Verify to be logged in successfully. Next, we have SMS. If you prefer to receive your authentication code by SMS, choose SMS, then click on Save. After selecting SMS as your delivery method, should you log out and log in, you will be asked to input a code. This code will be sent to your chosen delivery method. After entering your login details, you receive an SMS on your saved mobile phone with a security digit code. Copy this code and enter it in the digit code text field. Then click Verify to be logged in successfully. Next, let's take a look at WhatsApp. If you want to use WhatsApp as your delivery method for MFA, on the configuration screen, click WhatsApp, then click Save. After selecting WhatsApp as a delivery method, should you log out and log in, you will be asked to input a code. This code will be sent to your WhatsApp. After entering your login details, you will get a message on your saved mobile number WhatsApp application. You will receive a security digit code. Copy this code and enter it in the digit code text field. Then click Verify. The last method is TOTP. If you want to choose TOTP as your delivery method for MFA, on the configuration screen, select TOTP, then click Save. On the next screen, the QR code will appear. You will be required to scan the QR code on your Authenticator app from your mobile. This will sync the account into the Authenticator app, and a code will be generated in the mobile Authenticator app. Keep in mind that you can use any Authenticator app for the purpose, which has the ability to scan QR code, such as Google Authenticator. After selecting TOTP as your delivery method, should you log out and log in, you will be asked to input a code. This code will be sent to your chosen delivery method. You will also get a message on your Authenticator app on your mobile device with the security digit code. Copy this code and enter it in the digit code text field, then click Verify to be logged in successfully. Each user is able to edit the MFA settings for themselves, although admins cannot edit MFA for other users. Each user can enable or disable MFA settings from 2 areas for themselves. First is on the Configure MFA screen. The next option will be in your user settings. For this option, click on Settings, then User Settings at the lower left. Select a user, and here you can enable or disable MFA settings. You can choose a delivery method, or you can also configure MFA from here as well. Admins can also find the option to enable or disable MFA by clicking on their profile name at the lower left. Then click on Account Info. From this page, navigate to Preferences at the top right. Then click on Security. Here you can disable or enable MFA. After selecting your MFA preferences, be sure to click Save. Keep in mind that this option is not available for other user roles. If an admin has enabled account level MFA, then the message will appear which shows the account level MFA is enabled, but still the user can change their own delivery method for themselves. If an admin enables MFA settings at the account level, then the user level MFA will be activated. Account level settings will override the user level settings, but the user's delivery method will be the same as they selected before. Users can skip MFA for a 15-day time period if they select the toggle here. This means that you are bypassing MFA and you will not be asked for any security code while logging in. It will only expire if you do not log in on the same browser in 15 days. Otherwise, it will keep bypassing the MFA settings. The Resend Code option allows you to request a new verification code if you did not receive the code, or have lost the original code, or the previous code has expired. On the login page, when you navigate to the multi-factor authentication screen, there is a resend code link with a timer of 120 seconds. Once the timer reaches 0, the resend code link will be active, allowing you to click on it to request a new code. When you select this resend code option, a verification code will be generated and sent via the delivery method you selected during configuration. If you have any questions or confusion, please refer to our Help Center articles or FAQ section in the AdvanceCM Help Center, or talk to our AdvanceCM support.